My name is Aiden and today we're going to make a famous Goan dessert which is called biscuit pudding. To make this, you will need vanilla essence, condensed milk, whipping cream, rich tea biscuits or Oreo biscuits, whichever you like. To start with, you need to crush the rich tea biscuits into powder. The biscuit powder is ready, so just put it aside and start with the cream. Now you need to pour the whipping cream gently into the bowl. Pour the flame and give it a mix. It's time to add the condensed milk and the vanilla essence. Once you add the vanilla essence and condensed milk, give it a mix. Put some of the mixture inside a piping bag. It'll just make it easier for us. First you'll need a cup like this. Then we'll start with the layering. First you'll do biscuit, then you put the cream. Gently pour the cream. To level the cream too. Pour the cream now. Keep layering. Oopsie. Once you finish all the layers, it's time to put them in the fridge. You can put them for overnight. If you're going to make it out of the Oreo biscuits, you need to remove the cream first. This is my Oreo biscuit pudding. I've used some gel color to make it look like beautiful. Doesn't this look fab after decorating them? Now it's time for the tasting part. Yum! Please like and subscribe to my channel.